Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the IEI number 2000 EM flush mount metal access durable control keypad. Here's what it looks like. First of all, I'm very partial to IEI, and it's primarily because, well, there's lots of reasons. Their technical support is exceptional. The fact that their products are so versatile is the primary reason. Standalone, proprietary IEI controller, Wiegand controller-based system compatible, can do it all. Client says, I need something good, I need something inexpensive, I don't want to get, I've got a single door, I want to control it at the keypad. This is a great durable option, IEI products. So let's just go over it. The EM style keypad uses metal braille alphanumeric keys to ensure long-term durability, high quality performance. These keypads are designed for both interior and outdoor flush mount applications. It's your gasket there. Electronics for each EM keypad are conformal coded in the manufacturing process in order to provide this level of application security and flexibility. So IEI is my go-to when someone says simple standalone, because you can program this standalone. 500 users, single gang flush mount design, brushed metal trim, conformal coating, key press feedback via a sounder and a yellow LED. Your sounder is going to be inside of there. Built-in assignable sounder. Bi-color red-green light indicates relay status. Keypad programmable, meaning standalone. 5-year warranty. Okay, now, so flexible. The single gang mount, let me just give you an idea of the dimensions. We've got 2 3/4. That is indeed the case. 4.5 inch. Right? Overall projection at its widest is about 15/16. Now, there's a link below this video to the installation manual, which of course is included. It's maybe 8 pages long, and I'm in this video, unless it's at some point requested at some point down the road where I will create a follow-up video, I won't be getting into the programming aspects, because otherwise this video would probably be epic in length. So the installation instructions, quite frankly, are very approachable even for the beginner. On the right-hand side of page 1, it gives a summary of the operating modes. You've got your secured series front-end mode and your Wiegand front-end mode. Below, the standalone. So the standalone means all of your programming is done right here. Okay? This can also communicate back to a controller or to a hub or to the brain box, as I like to call them. The advantage of having the brain box inside is that the programming is not kept on the keypad, which could be on the exterior of a building, okay, where it will be prone or will be susceptible to vandalism. It will be susceptible to the elements, meaning Chicago, 18 below. You know, this material is meant for exterior use, but when it's that cold, things just stop working. So the advantage of having a controller on the secured, warm, climate-controlled side is obvious. But standalone is really where we use these all the time, or that's the majority of times that I'm selling them. So page 1 will give you the specifications in terms of what the voltage, the electrical requirements are of the unit, along with a summary. The page 2 really gives an explanation of the main wiring harness. There's only one place to stick that on the board. Okay, the balance of page 2 I don't think comes into most installations. Page 3 shows you, and this is really where IEI shines, it gives you pretty much all the common installations and how to wire it. Maglock, obviously common. Even more common, an electric strike. You're going to have a push button that's going to be involved. Obvious, that's going to make sense. You'll have a push button with a maglock on the interior. The exterior is going to have this. That all needs to communicate. So they're giving you all the information about how to go about installing this. You'll get a auxiliary harness, wiring harness as well. should that be needed, and it's possible that you're going to need that, okay, based on your installation. Page 4 talks programming. Very simple, very straightforward. Changing the master code, programming a supervisor code, selecting standalone mode, and that's probably where you will end up. Page 5 of 8 talks technically about how this can communicate to other items and working it with different options, and then a self-test on page 7, and that completes all of it. The primary point of this video is to not be technical and hopefully to be brief. Give you a visual review of this IEI 2000EM and to basically sing the praises of the company. IEI standalone goes hand in hand. If you don't have a controller, IEI. I always go to them because it always works. The material's always well made. The material is well supported from the factory, and it's easy for someone. And let's face it, generally people who buy this stuff, majority of the time, just in numbers, are beginners or novices, and they just need keypad control over a single door. That's all that we're talking about. If you have any technical questions about the IEI 2000EM, please feel free to reach out to us, or any IEI product. You can tell I'm partial. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the IEI, or Linear is the company name, products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, along with a link to the product catalog. By all means, feel free to reach out to them directly. Their technical support is generally excellent. There are times when it takes a distributor to call them to get a faster answer, and that's where we come in. That's how we earn your business. If you have any questions on this or any other IEI product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you very much.